Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can activate the fall detection on your Apple Watch 9. When the fall detection is activated, the Apple Watch will detect if you fell or not, and then in that case it will get help. To activate that, we want to go to our watch app and then scroll down to emergency SOS, and here we want to turn on fall detection. Apple Watch can initiate emergency SOS if you take a hard fall and don't seem to move. Before the call, Apple Watch will alert you it has detected a fall. Tap your wrist and sound an alarm and then call emergency services. You can choose whether fall detection is on at all times or only during workouts. Apple Watch cannot detect all faults. Now we can turn that on and then we can say if we want it on always or only during workouts. Fall detection is designed to recognize faults that happen as you get older. The more physical active you are, the more likely you are to trigger fall detection due to high impact activity that can appear to be a fall. Okay, confirm. So now if you're falling, then the Apple Watch will ask you if you want to, alert the emergency services or if you're fine. So that's how you can turn on the fall detection on your Apple Watch 9. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.